In the previous tutorial, we configured the AWS System Manager and we added 3 instances to it. And now we will use the State Manager to install a software on all of the managed instances. Let's create association. Let's give it a name. I'll name it Ansible. And from here, let's go to page 9 if I'm not mistaken. Run Docker, run Packer. Let's go to 10. Here we have the run, where is it? Run shell script. Let's use that. And down here, we can type commands in shell script. I have command in here that I'll copy and paste in here to install Ansible. Scroll down and choose instances. We can choose the instances manually, select them from here, but I'll use the tags. We did have a tag for the environment with a div, so let's add that in here. Scroll down. I will not schedule it now. Let's do no schedule, and let's create association. And let's look for it here. It's not in this page, so it must be in the second page. And here we have it. This is it. Let's select it and apply association now. Apply. Let's wait until the status changes. We can refresh and see if it's done. It shouldn't take long. Yeah, it says success. Now if we go to any one of the instances and connect to it, we want to check if Ansible is installed. Let's type Ansible -- version. And as we can see, Ansible is installed on all 3 instances. This is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will see how to use the run command. Under the node management, we have the run command. We will see how to use it to deploy an app, or to deploy an app using Ansible Playbook. This is it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.